Hey everyone, Verizon Connect here. Today, we're going to walk you through how our new AI dashcam can help keep drivers safe, improve efficiency, and defend your fleet against false accident claims. The new AI dashcam is smarter, sleeker, and can include 1 or 2 HD cameras, one facing the driver and one facing the road. These cameras have a wide field of view and can capture events with reliable accuracy. Having a view of both inside the vehicle and of the road means you can help promote safety and reduce liability. Here's how it works. Turning the ignition on fires up both cameras. The dashcam uses AI to detect risky behavior, such as distracted driving, and immediately sends the driver an audible alert.
Distracted.
At the same time, a high-resolution video is uploaded to the Reveal platform. Once the cameras have detected an event, the captured video footage is uploaded to the cloud for analysis. AI then classifies each video based on severity, such as critical, major, moderate, or minor. AI also categorizes the videos into 3 areas. Harsh driving events include hard braking, fast acceleration, and harsh cornering. Advanced driver assistance systems events includes tailgating or pedestrian collision warning. And finally, driver monitoring system events include tiredness, distraction, smoking, or phone call detection. AI adds a layer of post-analysis via smart tags based on the event that triggered the video, such as seatbelt unfastened, rolling stop, and posted speed exceeded. Event alerts are sent to a manager, who can review the footage within minutes. Footage includes rich contextual data, such as location and posted speed limit, to help the manager gain a more complete understanding of what happened. The platform allows the manager to watch videos within the context of each driver's profile. Managers have access to graphs and trends related to a driver's performance over time. Videos can also be filtered by severity and driving patterns. In all, this can help managers monitor driver safety on the road and also plan and conduct more efficient coaching sessions. But what about false accident claims? In the event of an accident that's not your driver's fault, HD footage from the AI dashcams can provide a source of truth to help establish the facts, which in turn can mitigate your liability and even help lower your insurance premiums. Here's a great example. Verizon Connect helped save BAM Trucking $200,000 in insurance premiums alone.
We got a text and it was just said that our service truck had slammed on the brakes.
A car had passed him and locked up her brakes in front of him.
And within 5 minutes of it happening, I had the video.
We collided with her and she tried to sue us 3 different times. But with the video from Verizon Connect that we sent her, they dropped it each time.
All footage from the AI dashcam is stored in the cloud for 90 days. You can also download footage as an MP4 file, along with valuable metadata, such as the vehicle name, address, date, and time. This can be extremely useful if footage is needed for an insurer at a future date. Thanks for tuning in. Click the link on the left to see plans and pricing, or to get your customized demo.